So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And finally, the wait is over. GenAI Army APAC Edition Cohort 2 season is now live. How to do the registration? It's very simple. Let's cover it in detail. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. So here is the GenAI Army APAC Edition dashboard. Now what is this program? The program is divided into multiple phases, multiple cohorts and multiple hackathons also. For example, recently cohort 1 is completed, mostly the registration, and the submissions have been already completed, so you cannot participate in cohort 1 as of now. But for cohort 2, registrations are open from today itself. Now here what will happen, see, there are total 3 cohorts and a grand hackathon. I'll make a detailed video for that also whenever the objectives will be announced for the cohort 2. So here we'll having cohorts. In the cohorts, what will happen, we'll be getting practical knowledge and a hands-on experience. For example, first of all, let me show you how you have to register in the cohort 2 hackathon. So first of all, click on cohort 2, and then from here just click on register. Just enter your details, okay, and then you'll be redirected over here. So this is very simple how to register. You have to just authenticate with your Gmail. Mostly it will ask some of your details like mobile number, college details, then you have to fill it. Now here currently, from tomorrow, the MCQ session will be live, which will have some basic questions regarding the academy. So make sure to join it. Now, what is this program? Let me just cover it. If I just come over here in the cohort 1, what happened? So it is divided into workshops, hands-on training, and you'll be learning about building AI agents in the cohort 1. Quarter 1 and cohort 1, we learned about how to build the AI agents. We had code labs, we built projects, worked on the ADK environment, and much more. After that, we did project submission on the basis of 3 tracks which were given to us. And finally, the grand hackathon. So mostly, first of all, first phase is the learning phase where we learn about new things. Then second is implementation phase, that is the hackathon, where we implement whatever we have learned in the entire cohort. Okay, entire cohort means entire academy cohort. So like this also, cohort 2 will be also very live soon, and then we'll be knowing more about it, because currently the objectives are yet to be announced, only the registration is live. So once it is live, we'll make a detailed video regarding it. Stay tuned for it. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. And I have created a master sheet if you want to proceed further and have any queries regarding the project submission, how to do code labs, all things will be there. Do not worry about it. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead.